Hi, this is a video to show you how to turn on preview functionality inside of Fusion 360. If you go into Fusion and up at the top right, click on your name, you'll get a list of preferences that you can change. There's another video about the preferences I like for Fusion, that's the standard settings. But at the bottom of that window, as you'll see in just a moment, there is a function called preview functionality. If you go here, there's three different kinds of preview functionality. This is publicly available preview functionality that we're testing out to make sure it works properly. Then there's also white glove kind of invite only stuff. And then there's the manufacturing extension stuff, which you can have for an additional charge if you want that functionality. This stuff is great, but remember, it is preview functionality with the exception of the manufacturing extension stuff, and it's here so that we can gather your feedback. If you want to know what settings I use for my Fusion, you can find out more here at this video. As always, good luck.